exemplar. Oh, I left my plug in. I'll be back in a minute. I need to get the plug. I left the plug in the office. So just try question 1 in section A of the exemplar. Okay? No, really. Yes. And then I'll do that when I come back. What, Ms. Sharif?
No, nothing.
I don't have any battery power and I need my plug. Can you all open Moodle?
It will alive until the break.
35.
I know, because it will run down quicker as I start to write. It uses more power. You know, like on your phone when you use lots of applications. Once all the applications are open. What?
You open only 2 or 3.
No, remember the video, it records. This uses a lot. Yeah. And calculator too. Okay. Come on, open up Moodle. And do the exemplar exam. Did you find it? Moodle.
I don't know.
Okay, but then move the table to the side then. Now, I'll be back in like 5 minutes with the tower table. I really want the question 1 finished when I come back. Yes? Oh, I feel so confident.
I'm not talking about Musharraf. I'm talking about me and that.
I'm sure he's a good student.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Right, go and you see the title? NCK International Physics Exemplar. Good, okay. Can we just go down and see what A1 is about? Is it going to be mechanics? Yes. Difference between a scalar and a vector and...
So you want all A and B?
Yeah, we'll do them 1, 2, 3. So if you do 1, I'll do the answer, then you do 2, I'll do the
This
answer.
is the vectors.
Yeah, vectors.
Mechanics.
Mechanics, yeah. Easy peasy. Yes, alright. Now, please have that finished when I come back. Or there will be problems.
My device is not working, so we can.
OMG!
How is your preparation for the exam?
Monday.
تركي؟ الله يهديك يا تركي راح لما محمود راح.
Anyone is the budget to go?
تركي راح لما محمود راح. هسه لاحظ. He just noticed that Turkey is Muslim.
I saw him. Really, I saw him one time.
Where?
Hey, the difference between the scalar and
Physical quantities with having direction with vector. Physical quantities having magnitude.
Yeah.
With
Magnitude,
yeah. That has no direction. Examples are distance for the scalar. No, like we have to write 3 points.
No need for example.
Yeah, you can, like it's a good thing to write. Like speed and like speed is scalar and vector is velocity. That's it. About sinusoidal to south and then the average speed. The average speed is always, it would be 200 meter and 150. How much? 350 and divided by 80. Okay, and the distance from the board from its starting position. Then it will be we'll take the Pythagoras, yeah, for the determine the distance.
Yeah. Pythagoras.
And determine the magnitude and the direction of the everything.
I don't know how to do this one.
Yeah, well, this one, Musharraf, help me with it.
Speed equals distance
Yeah.
over
Time.
what is
350
velocity?
80. Displacement.
Change in displacement.
Yeah, this is here.
Change in displacement means speed hours.
Okay.
Change in displacement. لا مو طلع لي
ما نعرف فيها ما نشوفها يا مان.
ما جاوب
جهزها يا مان.
ما هو جاوب عجب
طيب خلاص.
أنا فاهم
هاي. جدي والله.
इसके क्या दर्ज है हाँ ले लो पाँच मिनट ये सरल है
That's why she's very happy.
She's
والله صاحبتي وجهي سالفة.
Can you eat it? This is 47. This is my city, my village. I live in city, but this is my village. From background, only trucks and I swear I will pass. Now I will go Pakistan. I swear I won't sleep for 1 month. I will just visit. I will just go on the road and man, fuck Barca. Fuck Barca.
والله برتا ينتظر.
Man.
Are you serious, man?
Inshallah, we will win the Champions League. Don't worry. Just Juventus. I swear Juventus is. Otherwise, it's fine. Yeah, we will win, man. We will win.
I'm not sure to be honest. Juventus
No.
is scary.
Yeah, but
I swear.
Real, it's not Barca. They are not playing with Barca. Please.
Exactly. If Barca couldn't win, Real Madrid.
Man, Real Madrid is fucking hell, man. You will see. Where's the dozen? If I throw this, you will give me 1,000 euros and do the test. I don't want you to take 1,000 from me. That's why.
Thank you.
I don't even want to dare you, because I know you will not.
Man, how does he even write on this laptop? So difficult. Man, huh? Show, look. Number 3, rule number 3, part 3, being part 3.
The magnitude is 3.125, and the direction, it is, you want the direction, so it will be the opposite over the adjacent.
No, it's theta is equal to 10 over.
Tan inverse,
Yeah.
opposite over adjacent.
Yeah. So,
You want this direction. Like he is moving from here to south,
yeah.
not from south to east.
Yeah.
So this is the direction.
Yeah.
He went to. So it's 150 over 200.
Yeah.
Which one is this? 3?
Yeah, the direction.
Okay.
Wait, the magnitude is the velocity. Determine the distance of the boat. What's the distance?
The change in displacement.
Yeah. So it's the Pythagoras.
Yeah.
And then determine the magnitude. Magnitude is velocity. You have to find out velocity with the time. The time is 80 seconds. You understand?
You mean the distance? The distance is 250. I told you the velocity equals change in displacement. Yeah.
Yeah.
Change in displacement is Pythagoras.
Yeah.
I did Pythagoras, and
Yeah.
you gave me 250.
Yeah. And then you divide it by. Okay.
I did all of them.
Oh yeah.
Each one.
Okay. That's fine. And now direction is. Yeah.
So it's three questions, yeah?
Yeah.
This is the first question.
I swear it's a good question, good example.
Yeah.
You can do it.
Yeah. This is the second question, the 250. And
You're steel engineering, you're not كذا.
We are coming, bro, coming. Wait,
It can't,
No, we'll be combined with the science students. This class has to move to government. With all of them, man.
who
Science students.
your math class at 12 tomorrow.
With the medicine students.
who name?
Yes,
Shama.
like, Shama and all of them, and Asham also. They all, I think so. That's what so. Do you want me to come every day?
You're not coming?
No, I'm coming. Jesus Christ.
So this is the direction.
كيف حسبت الدرس؟
Asham.
This time
Habibi.
opposite over adjacent.
I don't fucking care. Well,
He's a legend.
he's the legend. That's
والله
why he's
he's
the
a
legend.
legend.
He is the legend.
Conor McGregor يعني.
Yalla, boxer.
جازي؟
Yeah. I don't know any boxing.
ايرلندي من دبلن.
He's from Dublin and he's the world legend.
He's
Floyd
the
Mayweather.
first in history to get through different أوزان, weights, different weights.
In the world.
أول واحد في التاريخ حصل حزامين بطولتين واثنين مختلفين بنفس الوقت.
So he changed his weight.
He's a billionaire.
Won the-
He's a trillionaire, man.
He changed his weight.
Oh, he's so fucking rich.
He-
He's on private jet, everything.
He
Wait, I'll show
he
you.
changed his weight to win another.
ما أعرف لكن
انت عشان تمشي من
He has the Lamborghini here and I like fucking.
انت عشان تمشي من
فاهم قصدك لكن ما أعرف إذا غير وزنه ولا لا.
ولا بس بقول لك
Look at his car. He's fucking everything. He's so fucking rich.
تعرف he
So,
was living
look,
on the
he went to
government
Liverpool.
welfare.
He was, yeah. He went to Liverpool just few weeks before. Look at the money, like he just went there for the. This.
You know, he used to live on government
Is
welfare.
this his
كان
his name?
كان عايش ب 170 يورو يمكن في الشهر ولا
شنو؟
كان عايش ب 170 يورو سيارة حكومة.
بس
هو زوج.
This one is. Man, it's so nice. She is his wife. Like, she's not that beautiful, but he loves her. This girl.
she is pretty.
She is.
Like she is his wife. I swear he can get any girl he wants. Like, you know, Lakshmi has a photo with her. Look this car. He has this car. This Lamborghini is the only one of its kind in Ireland.
Hello?
So, man, look at his cars at the back there. I have to see him, man. One day he will come to the petrol station. He has to put the benzene.
Yeah, sure. Lamborghini spends so much money.
He has a better station.
Lick them, baby. It's good luck. Okay, so the velocity right is the changing movement of the girl. So I texted Shama for her room. I want her apartment. Where she used to live, man.
Yeah.
I want that. Because look, Nader and Ahmad are going to Saudi.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
When?
Hisham is going for Friday.
Hisham is going on Friday.
They are also moving, so like now only me and some other left and now we are paying 1400 euro. Better than me. No, he will take 1200 euro. It's fine. Fine.
Okay. Is that finished now?
Yes.
Successfully?
Successful.
You know for sure? Okay, let's check it out then. Right, what does the first part say? The difference between a scalar and a vector. So what is the difference then?
Scalar is only magnitude without direction, vector has magnitude and direction.
Correct. Did you all write that? Yeah, I don't need to write that down, do I, since you all got that. How many marks was that?
One.
Only one? Okay. The next part is they give a little story, right, about a boat or something?
There's 200 meters south, 150.
Wait, hang on, let me write this down. Come on, Ken. Here. Okay. Right, go ahead there.
200 south.
Okay, 200 south like this, yeah?
150 east.
Okay.
And total of 80 seconds.
Okay.
Determine the average speed of the boat over time.
Average speed. Right, so speed is
Distance over time.
very good, which would be 350 over 80. Very good.
375.
Yep. Very good. Okay. Part.
MS minus 1.
Thank you. And part 2.
The distance
of the boat from its
from the
starting
starting
position.
position.
Oh, well, that's Pythagoras, right? 250. Yeah. Yep.
When did you get direction of the average?
They want the magnitude and direction of the velocity.
Yeah.
Yeah? Right, so the velocity is that it starts here and it heads here, a distance of 250 meters in 80 seconds. So the magnitude of the velocity will be 250 divided by 80, like the speed.
3.1.
Thank you. And the direction is just,
Tan inverse.
yeah, we could get this angle. That would be tan inverse 200 over 150. Or you could measure this angle. What did you go for, Ms. Sharif?
Tan inverse 150 over 200.
Tan inverse. So you went for this angle. That's fine. And what did you get?
You'll always get the same answer?
No, just have to be careful how you write your answer. What did you get?
36.8.
36.8. So did you just write 36.8? You need to show which direction that is. So you could say south 36.8 east.
How?
South 36.8 to the east. Because it's not clear if you mean this angle or this angle. Or you could draw a picture with the angle on it. Yeah? Okay. Good. What's A2 about?
Tangent.
And did you do it already? No, okay. How many marks in total for A1? 6 marks. So you at least got 5 out of 6. Did you have a picture? Like, is it clear in your picture which angle you mean?
No.
Yeah.
It is?
Right. You have just like this. to make the arrow or just this?
Yeah, I need for the exam for you to at least write.
Same as you.
No, but
Yeah,
there
but
is-
I added in the 736 east.
Yeah.
If you don't do that, you need to show which angle on the
Like
picture.
I said, you mean.
Yeah, no, it's okay. No, it's okay. Alright, to circular motion? Yeah, circular motion. Try to, so another mechanics.
I'm not sure it's not you. It's just a number.
Come on, Mir, give it a try.
Yeah, yeah.
All this studying you're doing at home should make this easy peasy.
No, I did the first one, just the one I was having is the third part. But
Okay. Try A2, please.
what is it? You have your own house. That was not the one. Give it to me.
Hey, come on. Try number 6.
Can we do it, please?
Bit stuck, yeah? You guys are go? Okay. Will we do it now then? Okay. So is the rock or whatever being turned around like this? It asks for the maximum and the minimum tension? Okay. So I'm picturing it like this, and it's turning around like that. And what do they want first?
Mass,
The maximum tension.
mass is 2.5.
Just before we put the picture to get the numbers in, where would the ball be for the tension to be maximum, do you think? No. Bottom. Because if you picture it, at the top it's possible for the string to go slack and for the rock to fall down. But if you're picturing turning this around, it's at the bottom when the tension is most. Now it doesn't matter if you mix it up because you'll get two answers, so clearly the bigger answer is the maximum. But we'll just start with the bottom first. Okay, so the mass here is 2.5 kg, and what else do we know?
Radius is 0.5.
Okay, so this is 0.5 meters,
Constant speed for
meters per second,
meters.
and that's everything?
Yes.
So when you look at the rope here, what forces are acting on it? There's two forces on it. What are they?
Gravity.
Which is mg and the tension in the rope basically. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, because this is moving in a circle, you know that T minus mg is a circular motion force. And because you're given the V, you should use the formula T minus mg equals mv squared over r. You know this motion one there? Yeah? And what are we looking for? The T. I'll just take the m out. Yeah.
If I miss the math,
That's okay, I don't mind. I'll give you the marks. It's
because
not.
I understand that.
You drew it at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
mean when they're falling the map. I didn't mean when the.
Oh, maximum height.
Yeah.
Did it say maximum height or maximum tension?
Maximum tension.
Yeah, but I wouldn't worry about that. I might still give you full marks even. Okay, do we know the mass?
2.5.
Yeah, and do we know the G? And the V? And the R?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's just put all the numbers in. Right, so what say the mass was? 2.5, yeah? And the G, 9.81. And the V, 4. And the R,
0.5.
so this is the maximum tension, 104.5 newtons. Now what's really nice, this is max, the minimum is not really any different. The only difference for the minimum is when the ball is up here. There are two forces acting. What are the two forces? Gravity and tension again. But what's the difference in this picture? They're the same. So instead of minus, it's plus. Instead of minus, it's plus. So when it comes over here, this is minus now. So this here is minus now. So if I go back to my calculator and just change that to a minus, I should have a smaller number.
And then you should have
55.5. I'll do it in red.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many marks? 4. Yeah, okay, not too bad, I suppose. Is that okay? Did you get any of this, Ms. Sharif? Oh, good, just the opposite way, yeah. In the exam, if you write T max and T min, then it's clear and I can give you full marks. Did you just write T and T?
No, I wrote T max and T min, but I wrote T max and the T min like.
But did you write T max equals 104?
No, I wrote T max equals 5.4.
Oh.
T min equals 1.4.
No, I can't give you full marks for that. I'll have to take a mark away.
1 mark.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
each or for percentage?
All right. You need to write this down. Yep.
So it's like the biggest value is
The marks, obviously. Yeah. That's all. Yeah. Okay, what's A3 about? Great, okay, give A3 a try now. Mir, your notebook isn't even open. Come on.
finish at 19 and
I don't know, is there a reading week?
no.
Could have a reading weekend.
Hmm?
Reading weekend?
No reading weekend.
Every weekend's a reading weekend.
I'm sure.
No.
Will we do this one now? Or, yeah, okay. So, an electric heater contains 1.4 kilograms of water. So let's just draw that. Actually, maybe you can read it there. So, what have we got? 1.4 kgs of water, yeah?
That's 20.
So that's 1.4 kg at 20 Celsius. Okay, and what happens in the story, or what else are you told?
Determine how much heat energy is needed to raise the temperature of the water from.
Okay, so there's like some fire here or whatever that gives it heat energy. And we want to calculate to raise it to 100.
Water.
Yeah, so that's MC delta theta, which is 1.4, 4120, 80.
No.
412.
Is that not what they use in the question?
420.
Oh, they use 4200, okay. If they use different numbers each year, it's about 4200. 80. Yeah, so that would be 1.4 times 4200 times 80. Whoops. 470 kilojoules. Okay, is there a second part? Probably.
Yes. Determine.
Yes, wait.
0.2 gram
Say again?
heat is further the water
Yeah,
to boil until it's boiled.
boils, yeah?
But not
Zero.
1.4.
Only 0.2 of it. So in the B part then, the heat required for just 0.2 of it to become steam is ml, which is 0.2 times, and in this case, 2.3 mega. Yeah.
0.461. No. Same.
460. Nearly the same actually, yeah. Is that the whole question? That's it? 4 marks?
Same.
For the whole thing? Only 3? Okay. Is it probably 2 and 1? Yeah. Alright, what's 85 about?
84.
Oh, sorry. A transformer, yeah, okay.
IBAN.
No, not this one.
Then what is
Back.
Nope,
MBA?
nope. You try it. I'll help you, it's a fraction.
It's in the formula, just say.
No, because in the exam you'll have to practice finding it.
It's with M. What is it? M B over T delta T. No, yeah, it's the M.
Maybe it's not even in the formula book.
Really?
I don't know. I'll tell you it now since you can't find it. Ready? Ready? V1 over V2 equals N1 over N2.
Yeah.
Is it in the book or not?
I will find it.
No? Okay then.
Then what? I need to remember it.
Well, it seems so. No, just what's not in the book. So maybe you want to make a list in your notebook of every time you used a formula that you couldn't find in the book. So you know what I mean? On the back page of your notebook, maybe you want to make a list of these. So is this the first formula today that you needed that wasn't in the formula book? That's a question, students. Wait, no, that's a question I'm asking you. Is this the first formula today that you needed that's not in the book?
Yeah.
Okay, so V1 over V2 equals N1 over N2. Now you can do it.
When it comes to learning, we can that one and two or
P equals IV could do.
For the current, is it B1 B input equals B output?
Correct. Adnan,